Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Paco Arena here in Manila. This is the UNTV Cup Season 11. Hashtag win and win. Win in sports. Win for charity. The first game of today's triple header is the Judiciary Magis against the AFP Cavaliers. Let us now meet the players. First, for the Judiciary Magis. Number 1, Justice Midas Marquez. Number 2, Bobby Janicio. Number 3, Warren Ibanez. Number 4, Jay Arcusa. Number 8, Herbert Bergoño. Number 9, Ryan De La Cruz. Number 11, Elmer Labis. Number 13, Richard Litonwa. Number 14, JC Rabino. Number 18, Ariel Capus. Number 28, Reggie Malinaw. Number 29, Chester Tolomia. Number 30, Derek Salamat. Number 45, Edu Mustre. And number 52, Nover Buenobra. Head coach for the Magis is Gilbert Malabanan. And now the players for the AFP Cavaliers. Number 2, Sergeant Jeffrey Cambao. Number 5, Sergeant Hill Pagotay Sidro. Number 7, Seaman First Class Aljacel Ho. Number 8, Staff Sergeant J.Lo Labide. Number 12, Technical Sergeant J.R. Castro. Number 13, Sergeant Floydan Tubeo. Number 19, Sergeant Romeo Almerol. Number 21, Staff Sergeant Ian Javier. Number 24, Corporal Michael Banyaria. Number 27, Airman First Class Darwin Cordero. Number 29, Sergeant Rex Regalado. Number 45, Airman First Class John Rebollos. And number 62, Technical Sergeant Joseph Besa. Playing coach for AFP is Sergeant Jeffrey Cambao. Let us now meet the starters. First, for the Judiciary Magis. Starting at guard number 1, Justice Midas Marquez. The other guard number 3, Warren Ibanez. At forward number 29, Chester Tolomia. The other forward number 52, Nover Buenobra. And at centers number 28, Reggie Malinaw. Once again, head coach for Judiciary is Gilbert Malabanan. And now the starters for the AFP Cavaliers. Beginning with guard number 24, Corporal Michael Banyaria. The other guard number 27, Airman First Class Darwin Cordero. At forward number 12, Technical Sergeant J.R. Castro. The other forward number 19, Sergeant Romeo Almerol. And at center number 29, Sergeant Rex Regalado. Playing coach for AFP is Sergeant Jeffrey Cambao. Introducing our officials for this game. Crew Chief Seth Bingol. Umpire 1, Dennis Galve. Umpire 2, FM Mamaril.
As we start Sunday Funday in the UNTV Cup, we usher in, of course, our colleague and our teammate, Ms. Luna Villamor Camara, with her first report.
Maraming salamat sa inyo and good afternoon, coaches. You know, after losing their last game against CSS Kabalikat, Coach Jeffrey Cambao has finally decided to suit up for this ball game. Alam nyo, hindi naman siya nawala sa pag-iensayo para sa kanilang kupunan. You know, he's been running and training with the team for the last 3 months already. Pero para sa larong ito, special, kailangan manalo nila sa larong ito, kaya kailangan nilang makatulong dun sa rebounding department. You know, it's tough being a playing coach here, pero sabi niya nga sa akin, for the love of the AFP Cavaliers, gagawin niya ito. Ang biro niya sa akin, kahit maka 5 rebounds lang siya sa larong ito, gugustuhin niya na. That's his target actually for this ball game. So aside from Coach Jeffrey Cambao, andyan din si Almerol and Cordero. And they also have this rookie player, si Michael Banyara, no? Who had 8 points on their last game. And speaking of 8 years na rin siyang nagtatrabaho para dito sa kanilang ahensya ng AFP, no? Pero dati siyang na-assign sa Zamboanga City at na-discover lang daw siya sa paglalaro niya sa AFP Olympics, kaya naman daw hinatak siya para maging isang Manila-based employee para makapaglaro sa kupunan ng AFP team. He has an extensive basketball experience, itong si Banyaria, and of course, naglaro din siya before in the Presaa Games. In fact, nagkaroon pa siya ng Mythical 5 Award in the Presaa in 2012. Back to you, coaches.
Anong school siya rin sa Presaa? Mamaya.
Yes, I will find out later, but he used to study in the University of Fatima in Antipolo yan, no? Our Lady of Fatima rather, University. in Antipolo. Pero nung nagpresaa siya, nag-represent daw siya in Region 4A. So I will ask him later on kung saang school yan.
Okay, maraming salamat. At of course, ang mga naglaro sa Prisaa, sa palarong pambansa, and outside of UAAP and NCAA, lahat po yan ay high-level competitions.
Yes, mostly yung mga players naman dito sa UNTV. Especially itong AFPN Magis, nakapaglaro sa mga ganyang klaseng liga.
Marami. Iba nag-PBA, iba standout sa PBL, and through the years,
Si Coach Jeff Piambao, I think he also represented Pampanga
sa palarong pambansa.
sa palarong pambansa.
Madaling matandaan, dapat.
5 rebounds.
Oh, si Coach Gilbert Malabanan,
Yes.
yung kanyang assistant, si MC Caceres. At alam ko nandyan din sa hanay nila although hindi ko nakikita ngayon, ang dating parte ng champion team ng judiciary, si Don Camaso,
Oo.
whom we love to call when he was still playing as the Don.
The Dawn. The Hammer.
Aha. Talaan, as we turn around to check the score, it's at 5-all. 2 team fouls para sa judiciary. 1 point lead ngayon para sa AFP after 2 free throws were converted by Almeron.
Ang ganda ng gustong mangyari ni Coach Jeff, no? 5 rebounds.
Talagang maganda dahil kasama mo yan. Nakikita natin yung
Nakita na
sa-
araw-araw yan.
Ibanez gets a hand from Tolomia. Trying to regain his peak form. Knocks in his first basket. Ibanez. His first 2. Tolomia 2. And Buenaobra the 3-ball earlier for 7-point total here in quarter 1. Almerol.
Oh, 6 points for Almerol.
2 points for Banyaria.
Yeah.
And that's a total of 8 for a 1-point lead. Mabilis. Takbuhan. 2 high-quality teams. A miss on that half-court set. Para dito sa judiciary. Cordero attacks Ibanez. Bounce pass straight to Castro.
Very good pass by
Yes.
Darwin Cordero.
Husay talaga in the Gazelle. Underneath. For the sure 2-ball. At yan ay si Castro. Buenaobra slices, dices, and scores.
May tawag ka dun eh, no?
Tahi.
Tinahi eh, no? Sa
Oo.
gitna.
Tinahi. Sinwish knife. Almerol catch and shoot. Offline. Marquez. Buenaobra in and out. Buenaobra takes off. Foul by Cordero. 2 free throws coming up.
Bilis ng ano, no? Ng Magis. Talagang
Pareho sila. Saka sharp kasi nakalaro ito. Nakalipas na Wednesday. Iba kasi matagal bago sila pumihit sa kanilang next mga playdates.
yes.
Ilang araw na lang magpapasko na. Ano na ba ngayon? December?
December 15.
Sweldo para sa marami. Tama, di ba?
Tama. Matraffic.
Para sa lahat. Galing ako ng nagmaneho ako. Ikaw sa T-Plex kayo, no?
Pitlex.
Oo, ako sa SCTEX.
Yes, ito.
Terrible yung pabalik. Natsambahan ko yung papunta. Hindi masyado. Except na traffic ako sa may yung last toll gate bago maglipa. Kasi pass through Batino. Buenaobra, susubok sa Batino. Almerol, nasa NLEX. Parang si Coach Pat. Scores another. And the SCTEX standout delivers another point for a total of 8 first quarter points of the first 12 points of the Cavaliers.
8 points sa si Almerol.
Ganyan din ang ginawa niya noong nakaraan. He had 10 first quarter points against the pension boosters of the SSS. But they ran out of steam as yung guard rotation ng Cavaliers ay pipihitin ni Coach Jeffrey Kiambao.
Oo. Rookie, no? Si Banaria.
Saka itong si Tuebo.
Oo.
Tubeo. Rather. Nagawan sa ilalim. Regalado comes out with the basketball. Cordero to Castro. Stops. Pops. Too strong. Almerol. Blocked by Buenaobra. Possession stays with the black shirts.
Good defense by Buenaobra.
Aha.
Lusot na sa dalawa eh.
Bata pa. Oo. Ang palayaw, no.
No.
Oo, pero ngayon ay December na.
No obra.
Yes. Uubra. Lost handle by Regalado. And a Cruz. Completes the defensive stop.
Good hustle. Very good hustle with the Magis big man.
Si De La Cruz. Ano yung shuffle dito ni Coach Jepoy? Warren Ibanez. Buena obra. Tolomi at the left pin. Detonates. Second 3 ball.
Yes. Ganda ng ball rotation eh, no? Parang NDEX to SDEX.
Bayad ka ng toll.
Okay. RFID.
Ay, meron ka ba?
Yes.
Hindi na nagpapatraffic yung mga wala eh.
Oo.
Tubeo against Ibanez. Almerol from the left elbow. Wide open but misses. Benaobra gallops. Indicates Marquez. Tolomia passes back to Benaobra. Close out counters. No continuation given.
Yes. Humingi si Coach Gilbert ng continuity eh. Hindi na ibigay.
Wala. Pero, second team foul ng AFP. De La Cruz, right corner. Tolomia cuts back. Yes. Good closeout by Ho, forcing that turnover on Chester. Si Chester kagagaling lang sa gym.
Pumuputok.
Puputok.
Pumuputok. Muscle.
Astro sablay sa tres. Tolomia na itapon on his attempted pass for Ibanez. Cordero. Post block para kay Ho. Foul, then we'll go for 2 free throws shortly.
Good, post movement action,
Ayos yan.
Oo.
Ayos.
Kahit si Cordero pagpasa eh. Libre din siya eh. Oh. Automatic cut.
Mustre was one of the 2 best players in the first win for Judiciary last time that they played. Did not score in double figures but grabbed a lot of critical rebounds and picked up a lot of loose balls. The guard rebounds, as we love to put it.
Is he related kay dating PBA player?
Tatanong natin yan sa ating teammate na
Yeah.
si Rina Villamor. Parang inutusan mo si Rina.
Sorry, ma'am.
Ibanez, buena obra, block by Ho. De La Cruz pins, twirls, and scores. Basket counts.
Bigat eh. Buena obra.
Ayun na,
Tinako.
inutusan mo, titignan ka sa right mo. Tolomia and Ibanez continues to anchor the Magis. And then there's still Ariel Capos. So ang tanong ko dyan, nagpang-abot ba itong mga to? Parang mas bata sila Gilbert, no?
Oo.
Kasi Topex Robinson era to eh.
Tama.
Yan ang magkakasama eh. Cordero passes to the top and cuts. Cordero relocates. Passes to the corner and cuts again. Ho passes back. Excellent play. Excellent play. Ho. It's Besa. A repossession here for the Black Shirts. That clock reset. Cordero, Castro swings it to Bayo wide open. Still not there on the 3 ball. 0-5 from the 3 for the Cavaliers. Buena obra. To Mustre. Back to Buena obra. Tolomia finishes off that play with a 3.
Good patience. Very good patience for the Magis on that play.
Round 5. First quarter. Score 18-13. Time. 3 minutes and 8. Timeout on the floor.
Minsan tatamaan nyo, foul pa. Pre! Let's go!
Execute muna natin.
Okay.
Ikutin muna natin yung bola kasi. Para lahat makatouch ng bola. Subukan natin.
Let's go!
Special muna tayo. Bilis ng pasa, bilis ng cut.
Sunod na tayo, Dar.
Dalawa ka na eh, di ba?
Ito, sunod, Dar. Diretso na, try na.
Ay, AFP call timeout. Same play for the Cavaliers. Labide checking in. Alam ba, Coach Pat, na si Labide, napaka-husay na volleyball player niya.
Talaga?
Player ng Spikers Turf yan, ng Philippine Air Force.
Tapos kinuha sa AFC sa ano?
Walang hindi sumali sa Spikers Turf.
Okay.
Pero si Tubeo sumali.
Okay.
Knocks in the first 3 ball para sa AFP. He had 4 in that losing cause laban sa SSS. Obra with that inside delivery. Foul by Ho on De La Cruz. As Labis set to check in for Obra.
Sa Magis, lumabas yung Obra. Ang pumalit, mas malaki.
Mas bata.
Oo.
Ano yan? First year player yan. Tawag ko dyan, parang JB Gayosa. Tinan mo yung forma, Coach.
Oo.
Pati number.
Oo nga, no?
Labis, left post. Labis turns the ball over. Ustre takes it back. Ustre maneuvers. De La Cruz, bump by Ho. Finds an opening. Reverses and scores.
Very good patience kay De La Cruz na hindi siya nagmadali tinira no?
Ito, walang patience, walang problema.
Walang problema.
Darwin, Automatic Cordero, Season 10 Finals MVP. Last time that AFP. O Season 9 ba yun? Season 11? Season 9. Finals MVP.
Another 2 points for De La Cruz.
Kasi nag-champion sa Season 10 ay Agriculture. De La Cruz another basket. Somebody has to defend De La Cruz better. Ball screen Cordero, left wing. Tubeo, pulls back. Goes in. Fouled by Junicio. Madalang ang free throws.
Oo.
Marami ang tira sa 3. Ilan na ba? By the numbers, Coach Pat.
For the Magis, 2 of 5 from the 3. Ang AFP, 2 of 8. Ayun ang difference nila. AFP, open shots, di lang nila tumama noong umpisa.
Aha.
Kumpara sa Magis.
40 inbound play leading to a home run on the other end. Turnover, leading to a turnover basket. And coaches really don't like that.
Yes.
On the clock. 80 seconds remaining in the quarter. Besa. Tubeo looking to redeem himself. And he does.
No problem.
Quick trigger. Tubeo. Mula sa Bonnie Serrano.
Oo nga, Bonnie Serrano, gate 6.
8-6.
Public gate.
Oo. Dapat meron kang OR at CR para makapasok ka.
May decal.
Ani, tandaan mo yan. Doon ang ating pre-season. Kailangan meron ka. Sabi mo kay Kuya Joe. Ustre. Labis is down. And appears to be hurting. Hit the floor hard. Pagpag lang. Tingnan natin ulit. Jacking for position. Banggaan. Banggaan at sanggahan. Balabag.
Oo.
Tagag.
Pareho malaki.
Tubeo and Cordero have been good partners at the backcourt. Oh! Hindi nakatingin si Pagota Isidro. It's a good feed. Instead, ends up in a turnover. Meanwhile, Coach Gilbert Malabanan will call a timeout.
Richard, Chester, mag-court ka muna, mag-court. Ryan, Chester, gusto ko dito ka manggaling sa baba, ah. Si Ryan to. Si Ryan. Richard, ikaw magbababa. Edu Dionisio. Okay? So, Edu Dionisio. Pagbaba mo ng bola, pagbaba, nakawatutuhatin ka mo, Ryan. I-screen. Eto, kung sino to, kung si Edu Dionisio, kumorner ka na. Bakit? Gusto ko pag-screen dito kay Ryan. Richard, pag-screen. Chester, paggamit nito, rumul ka, Ryan. Ngayon, umangat ka, Chester. Ang hanapin mo, ito si Chester. Ngayon, Chester, pag wala kang tira, seal. Loob. Ha?
now with Litonwa.
Ito.
Turnover.
Timeout play. Oh, can you believe it?
Oo, mabigat yun.
Tapo ng mga nakaputi, sablay ng mga nakaitim. Scoreline stays at 24-22. Sabi ni Coach Gilbert, Reno muna.
Bueno.
Bakit? Kasi yung shot la, Coach Pat, last possession.
Yes.
Another turnover. May oras pa ba? Counter turnover. Simple lang ito. Napagod ang mga players sa loob. Parehong coaches umiling, naglakad patalikod. Isa na kayoko, isa na pangiti. Pero talaan na natili at 24-22. Habang natawa si Coach Pat, pati P. First possession, Jepoy Cambao, first game in Season 11. Almerol, after a quick 8-point output, has been quiet ever since. Misses last 3 attempts. Labis, binigay kay Tolomia. Another 3-ball coming from Chester. Wow. 3 of 6 from the 3-ball ang judiciary. For a 5-point lead.
2 of 4 kay Tolomia.
Naghahanap kami ng kasama, Rins? Yes?
Yes, some player connection here para dito sa koponan ng Judiciary Magis. Tinatanong nyo kanina kung nag-aabot ba sila, magkakasabay ba sila, anong mga schools ba sila. Tama kayo dyan, si Warren at saka si Ibanez and their assistant coach MC Caceres used to play together in PSBA. Si Chester Tolomia, si Gilbert Malabanan, naglalaro naman sila for Perpetual. Meanwhile, itong si Ariel Capus used to play with JRU pero magkakasabay nga sila during the PBL games kung saan itong apat na to, si Warren, si MC, si Chester, tsaka si Gilbert naglaro for the Sharks team before at si Ariel naman, matagal ko siyang nakasama dahil nag-cover din ako for the Montana team dati under Coach Robert Season yon. So ito, batchmate sila sa PBL kaya magkakaibigan na sila, matagal na silang magkakasama dito. Also, an update dito kay Arcusa ng kupunan nila, no? Kakabalik lang niya sa paglalaro for this ball game dahil nagkaroon nga siya ng kanyang sprain and a strain dun sa kanyang bicep tendon, no? Kaya pinahinga niya ito during their last game. So this will be his game, pero sabi niya nga sa akin, he's not 100% going into this ball game, pero okay na rin yun. On their last time out, ang sinabi lang sa kanila ni Coach Gilbert Malabanan is wag lang nilang ibibigay yung bola, wag lang sa kanilang mawawala yung bola. They just have to take care of that ball. At dito naman sa tanong niyo rin also, sa new player, si Banyara ng AFP Cavaliers, sa Our Lady of Fatima University nga siya, nag-represent for the Presaan Games. Back to you, coaches.
Maraming salamat, Rina. Ang dahil mo nasagap. Isa kang tunay na radar. Sa mga contemporaries sa tinabot ni Rina sa PBL. So napanood ko sila.
Yes. Pati si Coach Jeff Kiambao, I believe, naglaro sa PBL. Oo.
Talaga? Anong team?
Blue Detergent.
Kasama si Ase Taulaba.
Kasama yata sila.
Kasing laki. So another 3-ball is detonated here.
Naka 2 points na si Coach Jeff, ha?
So ilang rebounds pang hinahanap? Isilipin natin. Sabi 5 rebounds. Wala pa, pero may 2 points na.
Oo.
Pwede na. Banyaria. Jepoy Cambao against Labis. Looking for contact. None given. Obra. His patented wraparound. Labis will be called for offensive foul. Sino mas malaking braso? Si Labis o si Kiambao?
Si Kembao. Kasi
Sino ang malakas bumangga? Si Labis o si Kiambao?
sa apelido na Labis eh.
Oo. Medyo lumabis.
Oo.
Tobeo to Castro. Overshoots. Tonya. Bounces over. Rabino, short corner. Colombia. Another chance. Third possession. O third chance in one possession para dito sa mga nakaputi. Laki ng ibinaba ng front line ng AFP. Oh, bumata sila pero kumonti rin ang players nila, no?
Oo. Malaking bagay yung sila Mar. Before.
Wala na sila Mare. Oh, Villahermosa.
Oo.
Lakaw play underneath. Too strong para kay Tolomia. Castro blind pass. Banaria blocked by Buenaobra. Another block by Nov. Itonwa. Nobody home in transition.
Anong tawag doon sa ganung tira? Pectus.
Pectus. Oh.
Pinectus.
Pero kadalasan yung malalaki magaling dun eh.
Oo.
Para kumagat. Banyaria, quick 3. Air ball for Banyaria. Kailangan nila yung sniping ni Banyaria.
Oo. Saka ni Darwin Cordero.
Cordero tumatama eh.
Oo.
Pero 3 points pa lang. Almerol, 3. In and out. Tao-tao na para sa AFP. Tonya with a getaway. Obra, ball fix. Gets the ball screen. Another offensive rebound para sa Judiciary.
Oo, madami sila ano. Madami sila possession.
Parang mahangin sa loob, Coach Pat. Hindi umaabot ang mga tira sa rin. Banyaria sets the table. Cordero directs this time. Overload at the right. Series of movements and some misdirection here with 10 on the clock. Pin down para kay Castro. Swing pass Banyaria. Still short on the 3. 3 on 2. Buenaobra. Kadong malakas. Parang kabayo, no, Coach Pat?
Oo.
Castro, the Gazelle. Ball fakes. Almerol, let's see. Finally knocks in.
Yes. 11 points for Almerol.
13.
13.
That's 13 of the 29. Nearly 50%
Yes.
of their total output. Pass to the corner. Hand off for Rabino. Stops. Pulls up. Offline. Offensive foul on Almerol. Good sell by Buenaobra. Xavier, formerly of Malacanang, makes his first entry. Make
Oo,
rotation ng dalawang teams.
Dati,
ano?
no?
Malacanang.
Malacanang.
Si Besa, Malacanang din dati. Buenaobra. Oh, nice scoop pass. Fouled by Javier. First possession, first foul given up by Javier. $14 on the clock. Ball screen. For Ibanez. Cross-court pass. Entry pass in the post. De La Cruz was hurt the inside defense. Scores on another. That's 8 points, all coming underneath on a 4-of-4 shooting clip.
Galing na ano niya, no?
Footwork.
Galing.
Eto, may ikot,
Mas magaling yung si
may
Coach Jeff.
siko, may tuldok,
Oo.
at merong, ano ba yung English ng Tagalog ng exclamation point? Ang question mark is tandang pananong.
Exclamation.
Oh, palaisipan. Google it. Kiambao with 4 second quarter points. 5 second quarter points for the playing coach.
5 points na si Coach Jeff.
Bakit
Kanina sabi niya,
sinasabi?
5
Five
points.
rebounds.
Oo.
Ano ba talaga, Reeds? 5 points, 5 rebounds. Switch on the ball screen. Tolomia cross match. Penobra against Almirol. Tolomia versus Castro. Oh, tough shot.
Yes.
Tough shot. Castro's about 6'4".
Magis, 4 of 5 of 9. Ang AFP, 4 of 15.
Saan?
Sa 3-point shot. 4 of 8, rather.
Turnover para sa mga nakaitim. Tatakbo ang mga nakaputi. Benaobra over Javier. 12 for Benaobra. That's the scoring duel. Anong tandang pananong?
Tandang pananong. Question mark
Question
yun.
Oh,
Exclamation mark. Tandang padamdam.
ayun. Kasi ang period ay tuldok.
Tuldok.
Tandang padamdam.
Yes.
Ibanez tried to save that last play as Capos prepares to enter the contest for the first time. Hindi pa rin nakakapaglaro si Roms Paras. Yung nakapula, Coach Pat, behind the bench.
Okay.
Almerol, high post. Cordero. Violation ng Kiambao. Overstaying.
Oo. Nagkikis-kisan sa ilalim.
Kailangan eh. Yun ang kulang sa kanila, yung malalapad sa loob. Dati dami nila nun.
Oo.
Ibanez loses his cover. Cordero pushes. Javier wide open. Castro threads the baseline. To Kiambao.
Good pass.
7 points for Kiambao. Suddenly, he is the second leading scorer with 7 second quarter points. Scoreline natin, Coach Pat, sa first quarter.
24-22.
Score natin sa second quarter. Second quarter score.
Magis already scored 16 points.
Aha.
Panig naman ng AFP 12 points.
Pito doon, galing kay Jepoy.
Oo.
The three
Kondisyon pa rin.
Oo, the three ball has been absent para sa mga nakaitim. 4 of 16 from the three ball, just 25%. De La Cruz. Tolomia.
Oh!
And that's why they say challenge with the correct hand.
Yes.
Lest you commit a foul. Look at De La Cruz making the right decision. Castro was caught not looking. Castro gives up the three ball. Castro gives up a possible 4-point play.
Chester Tolomia, 3 of 6. So 3 points.
15 na yan.
8 rebounds pa.
First up pa lang.
First half pa lang, halos double-double na.
Yeah. Right. And before we know it, Judiciary already on top by 10 after that last 4-point play. And that hurts. That's why AFP will call a timeout here in quarter number 2.
Sila.
Compose lang tayo, compose.
Hey,
Dali madali.
wala nga, swerte eh. Kahit may bante, pumapasok eh, di ba? Okay. Continuous pa rin tayo. Challenge pa rin tayo. Defense pa rin tayo, okay? Tandaan. Mamalasin din yan, okay? Papasok din yung mga tira nyo. Pag libre, tira!
Execute tayo.
Okay, tawag tayong play.
In the face-off, that's one of their key players, si Judge Madiri. Probably with his son, as Roms Paras continues to be in civilian clothes. Uy. Press.
Oo, half-court
2-1
press.
press. Oh, hirap basagin yan. Hirap ako dyan. Javier with 18 on the clock. Scissors and a swing pass. Banyara top of key. Javier, 9 on the clock. Cordero goes right. Pumps. Takes off. Regalado. Nobody home on defense. Laki, no?
Good rebound by Regalado. Nandun si Regalado sa ilalim.
Oo.
Nasa taas si Cambao.
Cambao naman, nasa Fairview. Sandaan lang yun.
Oo nga, tama.
2 free throws to be given up by Regalado on that reaching foul.
Both teams in the penalty.
Ryan De La Cruz could be the third player in double figures. Has not missed a shot so far. Sumablay ng isa.
Sa free throw.
Yun, no? Kanina 4-4 yan eh.
Oo.
Another split from the line. And Mustre. Perpetual motion.
Half-court press again for the Magis.
Sana yung 8th rito eh, no? Napanood natin yan parate. Cordero goes baseline. Foul by Mustre. I like the shallow cut action and that execution in the half court. Very disciplined in their half court execution. But the question right now is, can they make the necessary stops?
Yes.
The last 83 seconds to narrow the gap, which stands at 9 points at this stage.
Malaking bagay nung tinitira ng ng Magis na 3-point baskets. Lalo yung mabigat yung last shot ni Chester.
Oo, 4-point play.
6 lang yun eh.
Yes. Buti walang 4-point shot. De La Cruz against Regalado. Backs down Regalado. Gets to his sweet spot. Again, an offensive rebound. Yun din ang nakakasakit dito sa AFP. Ang daming second chance.
Dami. Na-stop mo na eh. Na-stop mo na. Just get the defensive rebound na lang sana.
Yung mga guard rebounds, yung mga tumama sa ring. Sorry, sa back rim. One of the biggest names in the early years of the UNTV Cup. Formerly of the Alaska Milkmen.
Yes, sabi ni Ma'am Rina, he played for JRU in college.
Isa sa may pinakamagandang cheer yan sa NCAA. Alala ba yan? Bingo J, Bingo R, Bingo C, JRC. Dati JRC pa yan. Pag yan na yung mga nag-trumpet o torotot, sayawan na. Under a minute. Under 10 in the shot clock. Ibanez rejects the ball screen. De La Cruz attacks. Gets hit. But will be called for traveling.
Offensive foul on number 9, Ryan De La Cruz. That's his third.
Yan ang masakit. Tama naman, tinamaan siya sa mukha. Pero may traveling muna.
Yun muna.
Oo.
Nauna muna yun.
Chiniken wing niya muna eh. Umilag. Kanyarya. Tukyamba with the 3. Ibanez scans. Checks the shot clock. Last shot para dito sa judiciary kung sakali. Ibanez gusto wing ball screen. A lift by Salamat. Salamat, another chance. Not this time para kay Judiciary. As the dust settles, AFP was right behind Judiciary at one stage. But 3 balls and a 4-point play will push Judiciary So 8-point lead after Coach Pat, first and second quarter recaps.
Yes, first quarter, Judiciary 24, AFP 22. Sa second quarter, they scored 22 points for a total of 46. Samantala sa AFP 16 for a total of 38.
Miss Yuna Villamor Camara, recap.
Yes. Report about the AFP Cavaliers naman ang hatid ko sa inyo. You know, they're not that far behind dito sa kupunan ng Judiciary Magic. Si Coach Jeffrey Kiambao, kampante naman sa kanya na makakahabol sila in the second half of this ball game. In fact, one of the strengths of the team is regaining control in the second half. Everything is going well except yung kanilang mga outside shots dito. Kaya ang sabi niya in that fast huddle that they had is to execute yung mga laro nila, especially on the outside. Alam mo, kaya din yan, hindi na nagpunta sa dugout itong kupunan ng AFP Cavaliers dahil for that halftime break, ang gusto ni Coach Jeffrey Kiambao, mag-practice itong AFP team ng kanilang shooting dito. Now, he reminded the rookie players not to hesitate also sa larong ito kasi may mga tira daw sila na nasasayang dito, and of course, to challenge dito yung kanilang mga kalaban dahil ang pumapatay talaga sa kanila dito yung mga easy layup na binibigay rather ng Judiciary Magic. Back to you, coaches.
Salamat, Rins. Coach Ronnie, recap. Mamaya na. So, hindi pumunta sa dugout. Nag-shooting. Pero ang isa sa kinakailangan nilang pag-igtingin is yung kanilang depensa. Giving up layups means protecting the paint. Cordero scored earlier. Cordero will score? Not this time.
Inside, no? Inside paint defense nila, no?
Kasama sa defense na yan is yung offensive rebounds that they gave up.
Madami na silang nabigay.
Sobra.
Lalo kay De La Cruz, tsaka kay Labis.
Elevator scene for Castro. Castro called for an offensive foul. And that's a concern. Ay, pang-apat.
4 fouls na si Castro.
Castro's been cold.
No, usually tumatama yan.
Oo, sila ni Banyaria.
Oh.
Too quiet for comfort.
0-5 and 0-3 from the
Yes.
from the 3-point.
Ibanez foul by Tobeo. Experience over youth. Fist pump after.
Oh,
Another basket inside the restricted zone.
correct.
Handoff. Ay, umalo.
Galing sa scissors, no?
Oo. Pero bantayan talaga yan eh. Completes the three-point play. Ibanez with 5. Judiciary ahead by 14.
Malaki.
Oo, dahil dito sa quarter nito, 8-2 ang third quarter scoreline. Banyaria continues to struggle from the field.
Oh, 0-4 na si Banyaria.
Hindi umatake, puro sa labas.
Oh.
Pero meron siyang 2 points. Again, the pass to the corner. Reversal of positions. He has the advantage but misses. Cordero. Tobeo open. He's the only player shooting the ball well for AFP.
Tobeo has 9 points.
And 3 made triples.
Oo. And 3 steals.
Marquez. De La Cruz, maniobra underneath. Strong move. Pang ilan na yun ni Almerol?
3 na yata si Almeron.
3. Merap kalaban si Benobre. Kasi yung taas niya, lamang sa 3. Mabilis sa 4.
Tsaka malakas ang katawan.
Bata pa eh.
May handle pa. May dribble.
playing coach has to return once more. But the lead stays at 12 here para dito sa team ng Judiciary.
Two points for Regalado.
They needed that. Dahil puro perimeter players ang kumakamada sa kanila. Bueno, Obra against Kiambao. Yan sinasabi ko, mabilis.
Oo.
Para sa big man na bantayan. Simple in and out to open up that time and space.
Mabigat kasi may atake, may tira.
Kiambao. Misses. Regalado loses the basketball.
Ito na.
Bueno, Obra. Outspeeds. Outruns. Outplays the black shirts on the 2 against 5 transition play. Mabilis para sa malaki, mabilis para sa maliit.
Mabilis dahil bata siya.
Saka mahusay.
Mahusay. 21 points now for Benaobra. 7 of 11 from the field.
15-point lead. Nice feed. Regalado misses. Will go to the line for 2 free throws.
Good zone offense for the Cavaliers in that sequence.
Apat na rin si De La Cruz.
Sa mga bigs, no, nagkakaroon ng mga problema.
Oo. Higpit ang tawagan.
De La Cruz out, Labis in.
Aha. Kaya walang labis. Walang kulang.
Walang kulang.
Yan. In short, no return. No exchange.
Ayan na.
Agaw na Regalado. Banyaria. Takes off. Nowhere to go. Ang laki na buwan ng obra eh.
Oo.
Marquez. Swings it back to Ibanez. Wedgie in the 3 ball by Chester. Possession for the Cavaliers.
Pinagpag lang ni Regalado yung bola eh. Naipit. Walang problema.
Walang laki niya eh. Tubeo as the quarterback. Kiambao. Banyaria looking to on court. Still not there for Banyaria from the 3 ball. Malamig.
Malamig. 0-5 na siya.
Marquez with a 3. Offline. Cordero in transition. Ball screen on the secondary. Entry pass, Kiambao. Kiambao scores once again.
9 points.
Imagine mo kung hindi naglaro si Jeffrey Kiambao dito.
Oo, kulang talaga na bigs eh.
At kulang ng pukuha ng puntos.
Oo, 9 points yun.
9 points on 6 attempts. Cordero. Tubeo. To Banyaria.
Ito na yun.
Yes.
Yan.
That's why shooters have to shoot.
Yep.
Tubeo, good recognition. What about that 3-guard combo here of Cordero, Tubeo, and Banyaria? The Youth Brigade. Benaobra, his own version. Oh, erases the 3 ball on the other end.
8, naging 11 ulit.
Benaobra is perfect from the 3 ball. 12 of his 24 from that line. Tubeo, short on the 3. Benaobra to Litonwa. Colomia, right corner. Short on the 3 also. Cordero, Banyaria open at the right. Cordero scans, loses the basketball. Benaobra will push again. 2 free throws Coming up shortly on the Tubeo foul.
Sobrang galing ni Pinaobra.
Yes.
Yung alam niya na penalty ang FP.
Kuha ni Coach Gilbert na ilabas na yung laro.
Last season naglaro na si Pinaobra.
Yes, he was good pero not this good.
Uh-huh.
Five of 7 from the line, 80% from the line, 100% from the 3, 61% from the field. Ay, nag-turnover na si Tubeo kanina dyan. Walang masabi kundi si Coach Jepoy kundi isang makahulugang tingin. Sa madaling salita, baba.
Dumepensa ka.
Oo. Nakaka-play for Tolomia. Nangyari with a closeout. Ang hirap bantayan itong si Tolomia. Sasandalan ka, tapos papadulasan ka.
Parang palos.
Palos, oo. Isang moray eel
Oo.
sa ilalim ng dagat. Pagnaria steps back. Cordero gets the ball screen for Pagota Isidro. No continuity again. Baseline play. Cordero. Against Itonwa. Cordero with a rebote pass. Ang ganda jump shot ito.
Bilis eh, no?
Saka nga, iba yung jump shot niya. Talagang jump shot.
Oo.
Maliksi. Itonwa, wide open. Salamat. In but out. Bayo again. Buti, nasa Libanyaria. Back to back. Umahon.
Sayang. Dose pa rin ang hinahabol ng FP.
Banyaria against Cordero. Turnover in the pass. Cordero attacks. Obra. Ang lakas ng katawan.
Galing, no?
The bulldozer squeezes his way underneath. It's a 10-point lead. As Cordero tries to push the Cavaliers closer and closer. As Coach Gilbert Malabanan raises the red flag and calls his foul.
Play tayo, next play. Pero but again, ayoko na mauulit yung gano'n, ha? Hindi natin kailangan magmadali. Lamang tayo eh. Ang ganda ng set plays natin eh. Huwag natin pilitin yung mga bagay na uncontrollable. Pwede naman natin iswing eh. Ha? Ngayon, ito gusto ko makita. Ito ha, sa offense natin. Swing, swing. Big ball post. End up tayo sa big ball. Ha? Okay?
Habol ang AFP. Subalit nananatili nakasangga ang judiciary. When Obra layo tumira, no?
Layo. That was his first miss sa 3 points.
Huli. Oops. When Obra Tutolomia. Salamat. Palitan ng 3. Malakas. Sinong matatawagan? Si Labis?
Flapping.
Number 11, Elmer Lamis for second infraction of faking a foul. That's his fourth personal foul. 14 fouls for Judiciary.
4 si De La Cruz. 4 si Labis. 4 si Castro. Tignan natin sa AFP kung sino pa ang foul trouble. 3 sila na may tig-4.
Oo.
11 for Cordero, 11 for Tubeo, 13 for Almerol, but he has been seated for quite a while. Daming mga tiga-US rito ah. Pansin ko lang.
Okay.
Ridas, nandiyan na. Si Jepoy, saan ba nag-aral pa?
Jeff Sanders.
Oo. Sa Meralco.
Meralco.
Nag-aral. Nag-masteral sa Senado.
Oo.
Almerol says, don't forget me, Coach Pat.
Oo nga.
Ito na.
Tahimik.
6 na lang ito, Coach Pat.
Konti na lang yan.
Salamat. Still. Nothing in the 3. Javier pushes. Pagota Isidro. Corner deep. Offline for Coach Jepoy Kiambao on the 3. Litonwa. Tutolomia. Back to Litonwa. Back to Litona. Wide open. That's his shot.
Oo, masyadong open. Walang cum-close out eh.
Kasi nakaharang si sino ba itong bagong pasok? Si Mahinay?
Oo.
Aray. Ganda si Malinaw pala. Jepoy Kiambao working doubly hard. And the playing coach leading by example. Malamang pagpasok sa Lunes, papaitan. Sisig. Dinakdakan.
Yan.
Diyan po sa tabi ng wellness.
Sa AFP.
Oo.
Oh, may Soldiers Mall doon.
Oh,
May kalderetang kambing.
yan, paborito ni Coach Pat yan. Ako, lang ako ron. Kalabasa sa kasitaw.
Okay.
Meron po kami nakasabay kanina paakyat ni Coach Pat dito. Maglalaro mamaya. Iinom lang ng skelan kasi merong tinaramdam sa mga daliri sa paa. Three ball has been missing right now for the white shirts. Nagawan sa bola. Nagawan pa rin. Libre si Litonwa. Yun lang. Tatawagan pala yun, ano?
Tatawagan kasi hawak na ng ano eh.
So, ang dapat
ng
mong
Magic.
gawin? Gumulong ka.
Kaya lang nandun si Coach Jeff Kiambao eh.
Parang SOS Daredevils. Tama, di ba, Coach Pat?
Tama.
Ka. Baka tamaan ka ng kalaban.
Oo.
Ilag.
Eh, ang AFP sanay sa ganyan.
Ay, hindi umiilag yan.
Oo.
Pag nakita mo ngayon sa nila, matutuwa ka, di ba? Walang nagsasalita, ginagawa lang eh. Ball screen for Cordero. Almerol. Shakes, fakes.
Very good place. 4 na lang yan.
5 points. Oy! That's a violation na hindi nakita, Coach Pat.
Oo.
Stepping. Doesn't matter. No more time in the third. What matters most is after down by their biggest deficit. 15. 15, Coach Pat. Anong talaan kanina? Nung 15 points.
46-13.
Nung 15 points. 60-45, Coach Pat. Since that time, 19-8 run generated by Cordero, Almerol, and Kiambao. Down 15, but in the last 10 minutes, they'll be behind by 2 possessions only at 68-64. Close match. It didn't turn out to be in the first 3 quarters, but now the Cavaliers, sabi nga ni Miss Rina kanina, ay merong comeback DNA sa kanilang genes.
Totoo yun.
They're showing that they are warriors indeed. Warriors at the battlefield, warriors in the UNTV Cup as well. The winningest agency here in the history of the UNTV Cup with 4 championships in the last 10 years.
Mabigat yun.
Mabigat, halos 50% eh.
Alam
Tapos,
nila.
nalunod. Nagawa na naman ng bola. Besa. Cordero. Suddenly, the Cavaliers are running. Parang toro si ano, no? Cordero.
Oo.
The moment he hesitates, bumubuelo na.
Saka hindi mo mapipigilan dahil alam niyang gamitin eh.
Nang hindi sobra.
Oo.
Tama lang yung usog eh. Delikado. Almerol has scored the last 5 points para dito sa mga nakaitim. Cordero against Enriquez. Good defense by Enriquez. Oh, good job by Besa.
Oo.
Favorite player ni Sir Seb. Besa, me mucho.
Besa may mucho. Ang AFP scored 26 points sa third quarter.
Tamo?
Di ba?
Oh, extra rice bukas yan. Almerol backs up against Mustre. Besa with the free. Off the rim. Second chance, Black Shirts. Another bad pass by Cordero.
Sayang.
Yes.
Apat eh.
Tapos, Litonwa. Ang galing sa mid-range ni Litonwa.
Siguraduhan eh.
Iba, no? Kumbaga sa bilyar eh, tak-atak. Tapat butas, tak.
Okay.
Stop ball, attack. Pagota Isidro and De La Cruz. Si De La Cruz, 4 na yan ha, pero girian sa ilalim. Open is Litonwa. Eludes Javier. Bergoño blocked by Pagota Isidro. Cordero against Capos. Niyukuhan na ni Capos kasi alam niya araruhin siya sa loob eh.
Oo.
Besa. Almerol decides not to pass. Foul by Bergoño. Ito na si Tubeo. Wala pa si Kiambao. Wala pa si Regalado. Wala pa si Banyaria. Wala pa si Castro. Andito na si Jay Torres.
Ayun, nakaupo. Ang laking tulong ni Coach Jeff Kiambao 11 points.
Sobra. Jay Torres, malaki tulong.
Malaki.
Napakalaki. Sa atin.
Sa atin.
Besa, napakalaki. Mahirap na layup. Hindi gumapang.
Hindi gumapang.
Tapos,
Ayan ang mabigat.
He'll take that. He'll take that.
No problem.
And make that. And just like that, lead is at 7. Ano ba tayo nagtapos sa third quarter? 68-64.
68-64.
So tumakbo ang halos 2 minuto. Yun ang unang basket. Nakwalaan ni the elevator. The 7-point lead. 8.
Sino sa loob? Hey. 8 minutes, oh. So, isang tawag kay Tulomia. Ito nyo nakakailang tira na yun. Nakakalusog na. Challenge natin. Master, mga tayo. Okay?
Yung depensa natin 1-2. Pag dribble entry, 2-3, ito, bababa, ito pupunta dito. Yung isa angat, para if ever angat to, yung isa ready na para dun, if ever si Chester na dun, ha?
Hey, dandan lang.
Castro's back. Tubeo's back. Sinong nawala? Si Javier. At si Almerol.
Oo. Pinapahinga.
Besa tumira ng 3. Malakas. Cordero. Inararo mas malalaki.
Oh.
Tapos matatawagan.
Baka tumama na ngayon si Castro.
Yan ang dalangin nila.
Oo. Si Banyaria.
Banyaria.
Banyaria. Ayan, si Regalado. Bumalik na rin sa kupunan ng Cavaliers. Free throw situation. 11 of 14 ang AFP. Magis naman is 9 of 14. Make that 12 of 15 for AFP. Ito, binalik ulit si Almerol for Besa. For the Cavaliers. Ditonwa. Open si Capus.
Mga veterano na yung nasa loob.
Oo.
Pero wala pa si Warren Ibanez kasi gandang lalaro ni Tonwa.
Oh.
Tonwa. Mustre. Left corner. Tonwa. Back to Mustre. Had to take the shot. Tapos with the recovery. Back reset. Tonwa to De La Cruz. Libre si Tolomia.
Ayan na.
Tolomia, mahirap malibre. Pero this time sumablay. Laking bagay ni Regalado, no?
Oo.
Almerol. No conscience 3.
Kung tumama yun, 3 na lang sana.
Oo. Tama ba? Oo nga. Oo.
71-65.
Tolomia, atake. Ito
Ayan,
another
sabi ko,
mid-range shot.
Sigurado.
Inumang. Pinitawan. Pinindot ang gaton. Basket. Para
Jump
kay
shot
Iton.
pa ganun no?
Pasugod.
Pasugod.
Mustre. Luces Cordero. Mustre. Back tips.
Sa Magis, si Litonwa. Sa panig naman ng Cavaliers.
Cordero.
Si Tobeo, yung gusto mong jump shot.
Taas eh.
Oh.
Tobeo, 3.
Eto na si Castro.
Tinira. Regalado, pinulot. Simpleng-simple.
Oh.
29 versus 29. 29, Regalado. 29, Tolomia. Are they 29 years old?
Pas bata pa siguro.
Kita mo? This time, it's Tolomia. Is that Almerol with the foul?
Yes, si Almerol lang may foul.
Hindi, ang tinawagan si Regalado.
29 ulit.
Yes. Pang-apat na. Ang layo mag-free throw talaga ni Chester. Nasa bandang Paco Church. Tubeo Cordero. Cordero to Almerol. Almerol to Tubeo. Inside to Almerol. Turns. Kicks out. Castro. 2 dribbles. Blocked by De La Cruz. Excellent inside defense by De La Cruz.
Grabe yung depensa sa loob. Galing De La Cruz. Kahit si Capos, dami na rin nakuha ang rebound, no?
Yan talaga kung ano yung kaya mong ibigay. Castro, Cole from the 3.
Still 0 of 6 for Castro in this ball game. For
Donha. With 16 on the clock. Colombia gets Regalado to bite his fate. Galing naman, no? Kaya nawala yung depensa.
Oo.
Bumaba na kanina sa ano yan? 5? That will be it for De La Cruz. Grabe itong si Cordero, pati sa ere, bumobomba.
Number 9, Ryan De La Cruz. Ryan De La Cruz, 5 fouls.
Walang shortcut yan, Mr. Labis. Kailangan kang dumaan sa official
Oo.
table.
Sabi ni De La Cruz, lumabang ka.
Yan.
Oo.
In English, as we receive the application. Check. Ronnie, hold this first. Check. I will read it. 2 days. Cordero. Oh, yes. As we turn around to see the score.
Oo. 8 points, 77-69.
Ronnie, next week gawa na yung... Dito ba tayo next day? Morato tayo sa Wednesday. Yun, maraming scoreboard doon, no? Kasi dito, pag nagkamali ka ng ikot, stiff neck ka eh. Ito, tapos wide open. That's his shot. Offline. Lakas nun na. Ito, to Kapos again. Turns, spins. Will not miss this time. Veterano.
Oo.
Cordero will be called for a charge. Ganun siya kalakas, no?
Oo. Naka-establish ng defensive possession si Muslim.
They're down by 10 again. Mag-isip-isip ka na ng best player mo, Coach Pat. Dami magagaling dito.
Oo.
Wala pa si Buena Obra sa loob, ah.
Oo nga, no? Hindi na nakabalik. Ayan, sinabi mo eh.
Tawag dyan, roll call.
Okay.
Sa letrang B,
Buena Obra.
Buena Obra.
25 points.
Aha.
5 rebounds, 3
Aha.
assists.
Aha.
2 blocks.
Aha. 25 points. Baliktaran ng numero niya. Piquesti 2.
Oo.
Oo, di ba? 52. Tolomia. Fouling. Castro. 2 free throws coming.
Penalty.
Last push para sa Cavaliers.
Foul on number 29, Chester Tolomia, his second penalty.
Castro, 3 points. 3 points pala siya in this game. No? Yes. Baka mag-umpisa uminit dito si Castro.
Tama yan.
Laking bagay ito eh.
Ito, walk us through the team standings, Coach.
Sa Group B, SSS, 4 wins, 0 loss. AFP Cavaliers, 3-1. Comelec,
Judiciary.
Judiciary, 1-1.
Ang lakas.
Oo.
Labis. Pitch Cambao in that nice dive. Good size crowd for a Sunday. No?
Yes.
Most of the people here have come as families.
Labis. He missed his first free throw.
Kailangan nila to.
Oo.
Patitira, gayoso eh.
JB Gayo.
Oo, pati takbo, tinan mo.
Oo.
Tama, di ba?
Correct.
Under 5. Past the halfway mark. 15 sa shot clock. Cordero high post, doing everything para sa AFP. Needs help. Needs help.
Kailangan talaga niyang tulong. Na-miss na dito si Castro.
Oo eh.
Oo. Tsaka si
Banyaria.
Banyaria. Oo.
Nalulunod sila parati sa inbound na to, no?
Oo.
Cordero,
Galing.
galing gumalaw, ano?
Oo.
Una, turumpo. Pangalawa, ang tawag doon yung ginagano niya.
Shatong.
Pushing foul
Diba?
on number
Shato.
11,
Una,
Elmer
turumpo.
Labis.
Tapos shato.
Elmer Labis,
Tapos parang
5
sigay.
fouls.
Batak. Patak! Hindi na yata nila inabot yun.
Hindi na.
Bihira na yung naglalaro sa labas. Eh. Naglalaro na lang ng gadgets.
Gadget.
Ayoko talaga yun eh.
Cellphone, no?
Maski yung mga Game & Watch dati, mas gusto ko na nag-holin ako sa labas.
Text.
Text, yan.
Gagamba.
Gagamboy, favorite ko yung gagamba.
Gagambang kuryente.
Barilan. Gawang base. Patintero. Mas gusto ko naglalaro sa labas. Kaya napipingot ako ng nanay ko parati.
Mabigat yun. 2 missed free throws, oh.
Mabigat. Pagod na rin yan.
Oo. Sabi mo nga kailangan niya talaga ng katulong.
Kailangan. Ito ang bumubuhat. Pagkatapos magpahinga ng buwan ng obra. Ito na! Buwan ng obra. Naitapon. Banyaria attacks. Banyaria loses the handle and will turn the ball over. It's not been that kind of day.
Oo.
Ito na si Warren. Anong tanong mo, Moy? Ay, si Coach pa to. Salomia. Laban kay Almerol. Salomia gustong makawala. Salomia to Buena Obra. Buena Obra stops. Hits. An all-important jumper. 27 para kay Buena Obra.
Ganun din kay Tolomia. 27.
Kagagaling.
Oo.
May lituanwa ka pa. 54 of the 82 points. Castro, erases si Banyes. Oh, may sumundot. Nasaktan si Warren.
Saktan si Warren.
Kamay ba? Parang
Tagiliran.
ayun, oh, nakita natin, Coach Pat, sa replay.
Ayun.
Nasiko. We need the medics most probably to help out. Baka sa ribs. Ayun na, papasok na. Tagiliran eh, no?
Oo.
Let's see if we can go off air. Kasi, eto, bumangon na si Warren. Tapang yan eh.
Oo.
Substitution.
Sa ribs, Coach Pat.
Oo.
Ay, nakahawak siya. Parang may kuryente yan.
Pag tinamaan ka talaga, masakit talaga.
Oo, hindi kaya ng power bank yan. Part of our Sunday crowd here. These are the supporters of the Cavaliers.
4. 2 kay Darwin Cordero at 2 kay Castro.
Bigat.
Mabigat. All of a
Behind by
sudden,
11. Could have been down by just 7.
all of a sudden, 16 of 23 sila sa free throw.
Masakit.
7.
Cordero gives up a foul in the backcourt. Veterano na rin kasi si Lutonwa.
Oo.
Hindi yung basta maagawan.
Penalty na rin ng AFP.
There you go. Timeout para sa Cavaliers behind by 12. Uprising. Recently out here in the fourth.
Free throw, wala tayo. Pare, wala tayo mag-hesitate ngayon. Ano na lang yan, tira nyo na. Umatagal, ang tagal ng bola, nakahawak lang sa atin. Wala nangyayari. Diba? Pasa-pasa tayo. Let's go!
chance para sa AFP. Time not on their side.
Oh, last push to.
Anyari to Castro. Castro against Bueno Obra. Sa Kiambao. Nothing in the short corner. Big stop para sa mga nakaputi. First winning streak, layunin at hangarin ng mga nakaputi ng Judiciary. First losing streak. Posibleng mangyari sa AFP and that will be it para kay Almerol.
5 fouls, no?
Yes.
Romeo Almerol, 5 fouls. Penalty situation.
Pagota Isidro, set to come in. What a game by Bueno Obra.
Oo.
Tagal pa nagpahinga nito, ha?
28 points na.
Tama ba? Kayang-kaya nag-30 nito kung tumagal sa loob, eh.
Oo.
28 points on only 14 attempts.
Oo.
That's impressive.
12 doon galing sa 3 points.
64% from the field, eh. Castro aching for a 3. And from the looks of it, Judiciary will get their first winning streak. Will go up to 2-1. And will bring AFP down to 3-2.
2 minutes.
Malina with the back.
Oo.
Nakatulong din to nung nawala sa De La Cruz, ha?
Oo. De La Cruz, Labis, yung malalaki kasi na ano eh. Na foul
Ubos.
trouble, oo.
Tapos nakatulong. Mas marami ang ginamit sa rotation ng Judiciary. Five free throws missed here in the fourth. That's a killer.
Mabigat.
Cordero from the free throw line.
6 of 9.
Turnover. Sorry, offensive foul against Bueno Obra.
Bueno Obra, his second.
Castro with only 4 points on 0 of 8 from the 3. 1 of 11 from the field. Finally hit Spader. 15 kanina, baba sa 12.
Oo.
93 seconds remaining. Burn time. Use the clock. Huli sana yun, ano?
Oo.
That's it. Marina with a good recovery and then a good decision. Tolomia will finish off the black shirts. 30 para kay Tolomia, 29 para kay Bueno Obra. That's 59 of the 90. That's
Sa
amazing.
dalawang player.
Oo. May oras pa. 30 ba kay Bueno Obra?
Oo.
32.
32 po.
Bueno Obra, 30 Tolomia. That's 62 of the 93. And those two are killers in a good way. Those are haymakers that they delivered in the last two triples that they have converted. Hindi po ito tambakan.
Oo.
68-65 ito kanina.
Tama.
Since that time, 25 points para sa Cavaliers. Para sa Judiciary.
Oo.
Tama, no? 68-65, 80, correct. And only 9 points para
9
sa
points.
AFP. Daytona also played well. Judiciary with their first winning streak, 2-1. Silipin nga natin ang ating team standings. bago natin matapos itong larong ito. Mamaya na lang sa pregame ng second game kung hindi lalabas. Ganda ng jacket ni Olive. Gandang hapon para dito sa Judiciary. Nothing was easy
Oo.
in this matchup. Nakalamang ba? Ay, sorry Patrick ha. Nakalamang bang AFP? Hindi nakalamang.
Hindi.
Never led in this game. They never led as it was the first basket para sa Judiciary. They never led. Ilan ang best player mo, Coach Pat? Isa lang?
Dalawa.
Dalawa?
Buena Obra.
Bakit ka mo?
Tapos
Paliwanag mo! Paliwanag mo!
Tingnan naman. Buena Obra, 32 points.
Oh,
6 rebounds, 3 assists.
okay.
2 blocks. Samantalang si Tolonia, 30 points. 16 big rebounds and 5 assists.
16?
Yes.
And these two gentlemen are now with Miss Rina Villamor Camara. Vince?
Maraming salamat sa inyo, coaches. Our two best players coming from the Judiciary Mages. We have Nover Buena Obra and of course, Team Captain Chester Tolomia. Unahin ko na po si Nover Buena Obra. Of course, this is your second year, no? Para sa kupunan ng Judiciary Mages. Isa ba talaga sa pinag-focusan mo for this season, yung 3 points shots, no? Kasi maganda talaga ang pinapamalas mo when it comes to the outside shooting, especially for this season.
Una-una, salamat po sa panalo and thank you po kay God. Yung 3 points ko, bali, sumusunod lang kasi kami sa spacing namin, sa proper spacing namin. Kaya nakakatira ako ng 3 points kasi may high-low play kami. So, yung spacing namin maayos.
Alright, sa bawat laro mo ba, Nover, nagsiset ka ba ng standard para sa iyong sarili na kailangan ikaw kapag naglaro ka for this ball game, makaka-double digits ka? Do you set a standard for yourself?
Yes, yun nga. Kailangan kasi tumulong ako kay Kuya Chester. Pag hindi ako nakatulong, baka matalo kami. Yun yung sinasabi sa akin ng ibang team coach, Kuya Chester, na kailangan makapag-contribute ako. Hindi lang siya. Kasi pag siya lang, medyo mahirapan talaga kami manalo.
Nover, sino mga naging inspirasyon mo sa larong ito? Please go ahead with your greetings.
Yun po, unang-una, salamat sa suporta lagi sa wife ko. Tapos sa anak namin, si Riley, tsaka dalawang kapatid niya, si Kurt, tsaka si Kent. Tapos yung mga taga sa amin sa Organa, hindi ko na kayo mabati isa-isa. Yun na, Pamilya Organa, shoutout sa inyo. Tapos sa boss ko sa office, Ninang Irma Paraiso, tsaka Boss Joan Iglesias, and Boss Obet Serrano, tsaka 201 Boys, yun lang. Salamat sa inyo.
Maraming salamat din sa iyo. Nover, we now move on to Chester Tolomia. Aba, maraming tumitili at nag-cheer para sa iyo. Chester, do you think naging advantage nyo para sa larong ito yung pagiging veteran ng inyong lineup compared to the AFP team this year?
Well, unang-unang papasalamat ako sa Diyos. Thank you po sa laro. Siguro may malaking tulong din sa amin yung pag-lead sa team namin. Pero at the same time talagang nakikita ko pinakamaganda na lagi sa amin ngayon yung depensa talaga eh. Maganda yung pinapakita ng mga kasama ko, lahat tutulong-tulong sa depensa ko.
So how will you make sure na magtutuloy-tuloy ito for next year dahil magbabakasyon muna kayo, no? So you have 3 more games remaining next year. Makakalaban nyo pa dyan ng BJMP, SSS at DOJ. Anong gagawin ng Judiciary para magtuloy-tuloy itong momentum na ito?
Well, yun nga, napaka-laking challenge sa amin to kasi ngayon, holiday na ngayon, sa daming mga kainan. Kailangan namin pa rin talaga mag-practice, sacrifice lang muna kami. Siguro makakain, less lang muna konti, sakripisyo lang para sa next year, sa January, at least hindi na mahirap para sa amin. Nandun na pa rin kami sa shape, pa rin condition pa rin kami.
Sino naman ang mga gusto mong pasalamatan at batiin para sa larong ito, Chester?
Binabati ko sa asawa ko, si Paula, sa mga anak ko, si Chesna, si Payus, and si Baby Ibi, and sa nanay ko, at saka kay Mama, sa lahat ng sa mga kapatid ko din dyan, hi sa inyo, and then sa Tanhay, sa lola ko, at sa mga tita ko dyan, hi sa inyo, sa Sambuan din, sa mga kamag-anak namin, and sa Sambuanga, sa lahat ng mga taga-Sambuanga, hi sa inyo, and then sa lahat ng mga sumuporta sa amin, sa Supreme Court namin, sa office ni Justice Marquez, maraming salamat po sa inyo, and thank you po sa lahat ng mga sa suporta nyo. Merry Christmas po.
Maraming salamat sa iyo, Chester Tolomia, our best player of this ballgame alongside with Nover Buena Obra po yan kanina. Congratulations sa kupunan ng Judiciary Mages for winning against the AFP Cavaliers. We'll see them again next year. Pero for our second game this afternoon, wag po kayong aalis. We still have the the Senate Defenders going up against the DA Foodmasters, only here on the UNTV Cup Season 11 Games. Hashtag win and win, win in sports, and win for charity.